Right, in today's video I will show you how to test a power supply. Very easy. There are two methods if you want to test it. Is the tweezer method or the wire method, and the actual multimeter. Right, I like this method first because it shows me straight away if the power supply is not working. Until I go and bring up the multimeter, I'll lose my interest in the repair, or in the actual power supply. Right, let me hook up the cord and I will show you what I'm talking about with the tweezers. Now you can actually see the green wire, and with any black wire, I don't think with any black wire, but the one that is closest to the green wire, I usually do it like that every time. Now I usually take wires, but if I don't have wires I will use some tweezers. And look at the fan, you can actually see the fan. Alright, I have to I'll actually power up in the back, silly me. Okay, green wire and the black wire, if I short them, it works. You can actually see the fan is working and everything is okay. Sometimes it doesn't power on, and that's a different type of story. Now let's go with the multimeter. I will set it up on 20, if you wanna see. That's how I set it up, with 20 volts, because it's on manual. There are automated multimeters that you just set it up on voltage and that's it. Now if you want to know how to do it without tweezers, it's still the same. The only thing you need to do is connect the black probe to the black wire, erase this power supply, and oh my god, I put the multimeter aside, and connect on the green wire to actually see which is very hard. I'll go on the next wire. Right, I forgot, I have to power up. No, it's on. Let me show me. Nothing. What sorcery is this? Alright, there it is. I didn't touch it perfectly. It needs to be 5 volts. 5 volts on the power supply. Now, the new models, the new generation of power supply, like, I don't know, I saw it like in a couple of power supply and I thought the power supply was broken. It starts from 2.5 volts. So if you see 2.5 volt, that means the power supply is good, it's not broken. But usually it goes from 2.5 to 5 volts, and that's it. If it's working, then it needs to have voltage on the green wire. That's it. If you want to measure, you have to start the power supply. That means connecting the, let's see if I can make them stay there. Connect my probe, and if I want to find, let me see if I can find it, the yellow one is the 12 volts. Let's just say you want to see if you got any voltage on your yellow wire. That's 12 volts. 12 volts. That's it. If you want to connect the hard drive, that requires 5 volts. 5 volts. Let's say the hard drive doesn't start. Maybe the wire is broken. So on a cable like this, you got 12 volts, 5 volts, and I think that's 3 volts, the orange one. Let's see. Yes, 3 volts, 3.3 volts. So you got 3.35 and 12 volts on the SATA connector for the hard drive. That's it. But you need to put the tweezers around the wire just in case you want to test it. Right. Thank you for watching, and I will make sure this is the part 1 that I will start troubleshooting a computer, and I will show you how to troubleshoot forward with bigger problems and video cards testing and CPUs and stuff like that. Right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.